Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm. And this week Meta has released Threads, a Twitter alternative. And will it become mainstream anytime soon? Let's talk all about it in this video. Thread is a direct competition against Twitter. By now many of the Twitter's users are already on the Thread, at least for trying it out. Thread have a very familiar and simplified user experience, as it takes heavy inspiration from Twitter and mixes it up with Instagram's user interface. Although it have many of the things missing that Twitter have, for example trending page, which will possibly be added in the future. But right now it is a big advantage for Twitter against Thread. Also, Thread is owned by Meta, and if Thread goes mainstream with Instagram, Facebook and Thread, Meta will be absolute monopoly in social media market. And can we really trust Meta's privacy policy? Meta has proven itself to bring out every last drop of profit from their users in expense of their privacy. Well, everything isn't so bad for Thread, as Twitter users are frustrated about Twitter's new policies like anyone can buy a blue tick and daily tweeting limits, etc. Twitter ads are also so frustrating, whereas Thread have promised that they won't show any ads before they reach 1 billion users. In this case, Thread is in an advantage. Thread is also integrated with Instagram, which allows your followers from Instagram to follow you by default if they want to. And this has a con, like you cannot delete your Thread account without deleting Instagram account. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.